Hello everybody. I know I haven't recorded in a while, but yeah, let's record. Today I'm going to be playing Don't Press the Button. But if I die, the video ends. Starting as soon as this next challenge starts. This is Don't Press the Button, but if I die, the video ends. But you already knew that because I just said it. You got a t-shirt! Stop hitting yourself. 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 Hey dude. You're in a video.
No, really.
Hey dude. You're in a video.
Yeah, I noticed.
Yep, this guy, what's his username? I am a cameo 25. Yeah, because he's making a cameo in my video.
Very funny.
Yeah, this guy, I am a cameo 25 is in my video.
Stop saying that.
Okay, let's press that button. Can't die. Oh no. This is all about other people. Oh no. Yeah, don't connect it with the wrong one. Yes, yes, yes. Yay! Watch this. Boom. Yep. Oh no. This one is hard. Okay. Whoop. Gotta stay in the middle. Okay. It's kind of hard at first. Well, not at first, but it gets faster. This is like Mario Party, except without the actual party. It's just the mini games. Finally, I was wondering when it goes on the bottom and top. They almost doubled back and ran straight in it. Yep. Yay! Oh no, I can die in this one. Everybody, you're in my video. Die! 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 Oh, this is fun. Duh! And they're not real people, so I don't have to. Oh my! He's like at my tail. Stop! Yeah. Die. Man, I know that feeling. You're good. You gotta protect the clothes. Die! Die! Yeah! Which one though? Make a potion. Ooh, I want that potion. What does it do? Speed! Speed. What if I quit? I'm even faster. Oh no. I can't fall in the hole or I die. Yes! No! No! Get in! Get in! No! No! Bad! Bad! It's in our hole! Our hole! Yes! 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 No! No! Yeah! Comment down below if you like my potato mic. Potato mic! Hey! No! No! We wanna win! No! No! Yeah! Okay, now we need this one. We need this one! We need it! Get in! No! Oh, she died, yes! No! Okay. There's like one button press that like explodes everybody within it, so seriously? Good thing it's not if I lose the video ends, because that would suck. Nah, bro, nah! Nah! We're getting rid of these, boys! Dude, imagine we win with only 2 people. Nah, we didn't win. Yeah, where's my teammate? No, no, give me away. T-shirt. Oh, no, not this one. No. Do that. I love how they did the ha 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 animation. Oh my! Stop! No! Stop! Okay. Yay. Bye bye. Yeah, speed coil's kind of broken. I have to move every single one. Yay! We did it! No, we are not. You just want attention. No, you are. Now this one I'm gonna win. Quiet. Wait, I didn't touch it. There we go. This is a if I die, the video ends. This is a if I die, the video ends video. Yeah, I'm not reaching the top. I'm just gonna stay down here. Ah, the ground is gone. Button. No! Don't kill me, don't kill me. I love this music. Torch. Press the button. No! 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 Please, not me! Yo, I can jump on the button. Any death counts. Any death. I forgot to mention that at the start of the video. No. No. No! It might make me look ugly, and if that happens, I'll want to reset, and resets count. So I'm not doing that. Oh. Oh no. No! 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 Please, 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 please! Yes! Oh my goodness! Okay. I am gonna go to green. Please, please.
It was at this moment that he knew.
No! No! Dang, I died. Oh man, I died. No! Why? Why couldn't it be me? Why couldn't it be me? Okay, well, that's the end of this video. If you want to watch more of my this was a short video. I thought this was gonna be longer, honestly. Anyway, please like the video and subscribe. I want to do a live stream where I try to find Golden Freddy, but I can't because I don't have 50 subscribers. I looked it up. I need 50 subscribers to do that. So please help me get to 50 subscribers so that I can do that live stream. Because my FNAF games have been, my FNAF videos have been blowing up. Holy! Well, I died. Well, I already died, so it doesn't count. Anyway. Yeah. That is all for today. Please like, subscribe. I don't know, comment your favorite don't press the button minigame thingy. Okay. Goodbye.
Subscribe, or I will come to your house.